Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices pared some losses as bets that the US Federal Reserve will cut rates rose after weaker than expected first quarter US growth. Bullion posted fourth consecutive monthly gain. The Dow and S&P 500 closed higher after a late rally, erasing declines from most of the session after data showed the economy contracted in the first quarter for the first time in 3 years. Tether plans to launch a stablecoin product in the United States as soon as this year, the stablecoin issuer's CEO, Paul Ardoino, said. Tether's flagship stablecoin, USDT, is already a market leader with capitalization of nearly $150 billion.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.